Hello everybody. It's been a long time since this two-wheel drive motorcycle failed and didn't run anymore. So I took the engine out, I fixed it. It had the decompressor lever stuck, so I have to free it. I also took out the governor. I heard on the internet this engine would run better without the governor on a mini bike or a fat tire motorcycle or a go-kart or whatever. So I took out the governor, I removed the governor, sorry, and well, I have it now here, and it is time to put it back on the motorcycle. So I will be doing that now. Well, the engine is back on its place. It took me around 1 hour, 1 hour and a half maybe. Install the gas tank, the fuel lines, the carburetor, the hook of the throttle cable, and the chain. I guess the chain is maybe a little bit loose, but well, we will test ride it like it is. I hope everything is okay now, and well, let's see. One thing you have to be aware of is when you are assembling this Honda CX 200 or clone with your 30 series torque converter, like we have here on the other side, is the idle speed of the engine is 1500 RPMs, or at least it should be that, and the engaging speed of the torque converter of the 30 series torque converter is 1800 RPMs. So if your idling of the engine is higher than that, is higher than 1500 RPMs, well, the torque converter will engage even if you don't want to, and it will be impossible for you to stop the motorcycle or the go-kart. So take that into consideration, be aware of that, and you will be fine. One thing to consider when designing a two-wheel drive motorcycle is the safety. These things have a lot of chains everywhere, so they can catch your fingers or your clothes. Always think safe. Always please keep your hands on the handlebars. Never remove your hands from the handlebars when riding. That would be too dangerous. Please install some guards on the chains to protect from injury. And please take this advice, and well, please be safe.